Alright, we're going to be harvesting a lot of potatoes today. That plant I'm going to wait on a little bit. It doesn't look like it's dying back yet, but I could be wrong. This one is definitely dying, so hopefully I didn't wait too long. So let's see how we do. It's still wet under here. Just accumulates moisture. Only one potato. One potato. Good size though. It looks like it's coming from the actual plant though. That's what's weird about it. Alright. Oh. There's another good potato under there. I truly wonder how many there could be. Oh, there's like a little one I just saw in there. Actually, I'm going to take some of this dirt and put it in to shield the potatoes from the sunlight. It's super hot right now. Super hot. What's this? Is this another potato growing apparently? Not sure. Oh, little potatoes. Yep, got one right here. Alright. Ooh. Seems like every potato plant has like this big one that it's growing out. Is this the original potato that I planted in there? I actually don't really know if this is. That's pretty astounding. I would think the original potato would die. I don't know if you can eat those small potatoes. Doing not very good. Only getting like 3 potatoes. I think I planted like 4 potatoes here, so I might just be getting what I put in here from this plant. Yeah, I'm only getting back what I put in, apparently. There's a few small potatoes, but like, not really sure if the plant is dying before it can produce these. Like I said, this is my first time growing potatoes, so I'll let this grow a little more and see if anything pops up. But as far as I know, I think that's it. Unfortunately, my wheelbarrow is a little full right now, so I can't use that. Here, I'll take some dirt. Yep, that looks like that's all that's in there. So, yep, this plant will stay there, and now we're going to go to the far back garden, and you'll see how many potatoes have been growing, because it's a lot. Alright, let's go to the back. Got our chickens right here. Looks like they're taking a dust bath. Got the little ones over here. A giant garden. We're going to the far back over here. So over here, I'll let this all grow out and cut off some areas. I have 2 compost piles over there. Not very good at making compost, but I'm trying. Alright. So these are all my potato plants. Now those ones over there are planted just like probably a month ago, and then these ones are planted in May. So they should be good to go, or at least I hope. Remember, all new to this. I'm sure it'll be fun. Always have to look at the bright side. Just want to make sure I got a good angle on this. I had that camera for 10 years. I don't even know if I have the right tools to dig this stuff out. It's gonna be really hard to dig out of the ground. Ooh, just pulled one out. Look how big that sucker is. That's a good one. Let's try some more. Maybe I'll dig from the side. I really don't have a potato plant. What do you call it? Tool. So it's just gonna be this crappy shovel. Oh, seeing some more. Oh, look at that. Another one. I don't know if this blue bucket I'm putting the potatoes are in the way. I'm just gonna dig. If that's alright with you guys. I'll try to show on the camera. Look at that one. A lot. Way better than so far than my pot ones. Wonder what was wrong with the pot ones. Holy crap. This one's pretty big. I don't know how much sun the plants can take. The only thing that sucks about this soil is our soil is very compacted, but as you can see, potatoes are doing pretty well, all things considered. We got a little baby one. Alright, looks like this one might be done, but I could be wrong. I don't know how many these plants are gonna grow. It's like a treasure hunt. I don't even know how deep potatoes will go. Oh, it's a rock. Alright, I think that one's done. Should probably put the soil on the side or something. So I dug through something. Okay. Let's try. Alright, you know what? I'm gonna pause the video and get a shovel. I'm gonna risk cutting through it because doing it with this is gonna be ridiculous. Alright, I'm gonna risk using the shovel, and I don't care if I cut in a few of them because then I'll just eat them right away. So, no big deal for me. Sorry about the neighbors cutting their grass, just bad timing. But these potatoes I think have got to start going. There we go. There's a few. Look at that big sucker. Biggie. First had some shade. Not a great area. So let's pour this excess soil from here. we got quite a few more. Lifted the potato plant that time. Look at that. 2 good ones. Put these dead potato plants on the compost afterwards. Very good, very good. Way better than the planters. I don't know what happened with the planters. Maybe I wasn't watering them that much. Oh, look at that one. I want to think that I didn't water them enough, and that enclosed space and that those black containers at least were getting so heated that maybe it killed the plant. I'm not sure. But these are doing way better. Now, majority of these are Yukon Golds. I don't think I had a single red Pontiac. I put all my red Pontiacs in the containers just to see the difference. There's a worm. Actually wanted to feed worms to my chickens, but my chickens are super picky. They don't seem to like worms, which is kind of weird. Don't know why. Alright, so I have these whole rows are filled with potato plants. So just go in a straight line right here. This plant is completely dead. I don't know if you can see it on here. So I wonder if we'll see any potatoes at all. Oh, almost lost the grip of that. I don't think anything's gonna be here. Oh, look at that. Big one. Alright. Fam was just saying hi. This plant, not sure if there's any more left. Did I ever tell you guys how much I hate weeds? Like, I hate weeds. Bane of my existence. I actually had, as you can see, I had leaves as mulch, but it just didn't work out. But hey, good potatoes. Good potatoes. Let's see. Oh, look at it. Oh, look at that. Those are big. This is way more exciting than I thought. Truly is a nice Easter egg hunt. Ooh, another one. Okay. There's the dead plant. There's a few baby ones. Okay. Oh, there's a little potato right there. Okay. I don't know how deep I have to dig. That feels like a rock. Pretty sure. Alright. So I'm going to go these 2 rows and then the next 2 rows. I'm not going to go this way. We'll go this way. Seems easier. I'm sure a bunch of people are like, why are you using a shovel? I wish I wasn't. But as I said before, I don't really care if I cut into any. I'm going to be making some potato wedges and dip them in my own homemade ranch that I like to make. As most people should know, bottled ranch tastes like crap. I'm done eating that crap. Oh yeah. Look at that. big ones. Amazing. I want to say I put 20 potato plants in here. And I already got at least, I want to say almost 20 now. So things are looking way brighter than those containers last time. The last few days it's been raining, so I was afraid I wouldn't be able to do much of this. I might have to do a little of this tomorrow, because I still have my job to go to. So I can't spend all my time in the garden, unfortunately. Oh, look at that little baby. Little baby. I wonder if I'm missing any. I'm gonna cut the bottom and pull out a little. Rip up the plant. Oh, I see potato right there. So this is a little dangerous. I think I scraped the top of this potato. A little. Another one. Big. I mean, these things got big. All these potatoes are from Kroger. I bought some organic potatoes. I didn't buy any seed potatoes. That's why all these are separated from the rest of the garden, because I didn't know if store-bought potatoes would do anything to the other plants. But these are all organic potatoes bought from Kroger, and they got big. Like the ones over there, they got bigger than the ones over there that you saw earlier. Because it's my first time doing potatoes, so when I saw them getting that big, and I saw online that they were, oh my god, look at those two, huge, amazing. Another one, not as big, but it's still worth it. So yeah, this is pretty amazing. Maybe I should take some of this dirt and cover the potatoes. Just don't want anything afraid the sun might cover these potatoes. Okay. Really giant weeds. The roots just get around the dirt. Now, this dirt looks probably okay. Well, you can see it's a little compacted, but like when the sun finally dries it, it is so compacted that the soil, or the water on top of the soil, just doesn't even seep through. So when I watered these plants, I had to water them quite a bit. Hopefully my compost piles do good and I can get better soil in this. Like, this is just hard and compacted. Alright, looks like we're hitting gold again. Look at that. More goodies. More goodies. More goodies, more goodies. God, digging this ground is not fun. That's why I'm using the shovel. I gotta be like vigilant. Oh, look at that, I almost punctured those. If you can see on the camera, it's kind of hard to see on that camera. But let's pull. Oh, two big ones again. This one's huge. Very good. Very nice. Giant plants to add to the compost. I'm not very much a talker, so I hope you're just enjoying the plants. Never been a talker. Not much interesting stuff to say, I guess. Though I do enjoy nature. Look at this. More. Just keep them on coming. Yeah, definitely got an investment on this. Planting 20. Got at least like probably 30 or 40 now. Unless my math is just completely off. More worms. Good size ones, good size ones. Man, the sun is just beating me. I'm gonna take a water break, jeez. Alright, let's resume. These plants are a little newer though. I wonder if it's worth going into them now. Oh, ooh. First one I cut definitely will be one that I'll be eating soon. Unless I want to replant it. Ooh, this one's got a little green on it. Don't think I'll be taking that one. I know you could probably cut around it, but I don't want to deal with that. I already got enough good ones, don't you think? These ones are so high to the ground. That one's misshapen, look at that. No wonder that one got green. It looks so close to the surface. There we go, getting underneath. Probably the best bet. Oh my gosh, this is the biggest one we've got. It's like an oval shape. Great. All been great. Oh my gosh. Look at this. Huge. Huge. Oh, these ones are big. Wow. Like that's just amazing. I guess I will pick through these ones. Don't want to let them get bad. I don't know if I missed any here. Look at this. Look how tall this thing is. That's big. Good compost. You should be able to compost nightshades, right? I would think so. It's just a plant. Look at that. Just getting tons of big ones. And these are just store organic Kroger potatoes. They did this well and compacted soil. So like if I can do this, anyone can do this. I honestly thought my planters would do better because I actually used compost and good potting soil in there. Maybe it was the potting soil that did it in. Don't know. Could not tell you. Ooh. Good ones, good ones, good ones. 2 good ones. Look at that. Amazing. Actually amazing. Actually amazing. This is just this one section. I still have the rest of this to go. I may have maybe a little too ambitious. I was afraid it was going to fail. There's a sucker. Right there. Good, good, good. Okay. Got 2 ones. Rocky's making his crow. No one's listening to you out there. I don't think anyone has chickens close by here. This is like the edge, so I don't think there's gonna be anything here except a potato plant. This is just soil except this plant right here. Hopefully I can get something out of here. No? Where's this plant at? Oh, he's all the way over in there. I thought he was right in this ground right here. Oh yeah, found tons of rocks and I just left them here. Okay. Alright, we're starting on this side now. So, might need to remove this soil a little. Alright, so the plant right here, plant right there. I guess start right here. Oh, this plant's right there. I gotta find out where the plant is. They're just dying back. That's where I thought it was right there, but it's not. So it's right here. So that was a little off. Let's go. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Oh no! Oh, just bad luck there. Bad luck there. That's what I get. Definitely eat those tomorrow. But look at this. look at that. Look at that. Wow. Wow. I found an egg nest here. I mean, look how big this plant is. Like, I mean, this is my first time, but this is the biggest potato plants I've ever seen in my life. Online, I see the plants are just so much smaller, so I don't know. I don't know what I did. Well, I didn't really do anything. Though I did add wood ash in here. I sprinkled it, and I didn't put that much. So if that had something to do with it, or maybe this is just the way these organic potatoes are, and I just never seen them commercialized. No idea. But tons. Oh. Oh, there's another one right here. Another big one, guys. Another big one. Maybe there's a way to shield this from the sun at least. There's not much shade. Not much shade at all. Okay. Lots of small ones. Maybe it'd be better if I just pull them out. So, digging on it. Alright. Quite a few in this giant potato plant. Quite a few more growing. I don't know if this is too early or what, but I'm doing it. That's for sure. Three more. Hang on one sec. I need some soil. Cover these potatoes. I do not want the sun to get them. So I'm adding weight to the bucket, so that's probably not good. Probably not good. 2 good more. There's a little one right there. Almost looks like a cherry. Oh, look at this. Oh my goodness. This might be bigger than that other big one I showed you guys. That's just amazing. Oh, there's another one. Not as big, but still good. Still very good. I'm happy. I was honestly expecting to be very bad for my first time, but I'm liking how good it's been doing so far. It's another one good one. This is all just weeds. Damn you weeds. Curse the weeds. Cut a little on that one. Unfortunately, cutting a little too much. Let's try pulling it up now. If I can. Ooh, look at that. The stems are getting a little squishy. And these are turning a little green. Oh, you know what? Actually, I did put some compost. I forgot. Huh. Oh yeah, I did. That's right, I bought some rabbit manure and I just sprinkled it in some spots. Maybe that's what did it. That helped them grow so good. I want to believe that's probably what did it then. Oh, good size. Good size. Good size. Alright, let's scooch this up. I'm not gonna lie, in this scorching heat, I'm sweating profusely. Who said gardening isn't hard work? Oh, that breeze feels so good. You do not know how good that breeze feels. Oh, that feels good. Oh, look at that. Another biggie. Another biggie. So many biggies. Trying to cover the potatoes from the sun. Maybe I'm just being too paranoid. Maybe it takes a bit, but I don't want to risk it, to be honest. Like, holy crap. Holy crap, look at this. Got two small ones too, but these are just big. Like, and I'm telling you, these organic potatoes at Kroger, they were small. Like those two small ones I got you, that's probably as big as they got. So getting this big is pretty impressive. Amazingly impressive. Okay. Let's pull this plant out. Wow. I mean, these plants just got so big. I'm gonna say the wood ash and the rabbit poop did very well. Rabbit compost, I should say. I don't think anyone wants to hear me say poop. Look at that. Two more big ones. Simply amazing. This one gets a little green. Either it's going bad or maybe it got some sun exposure, because like these are pretty close to the surface. So, as long as it doesn't rain. Three big decent size. Apparently there's potatoes mixed in these rocks. A little one, and that's a decent size. No idea if there's any still in here. Oh, there's a centipede. Gross. There's a little one. I think that's it for that. At least the sun is blocked by a cloud for a second, because it is beating hot. Just want to let you guys know my pain. It's worth it. Most definitely worth it. I'm able to pull this plant out pretty well. I just can't believe how many roots came out of this plant. Or I should say these plants. Look at that. Look at that. Amazing. So much better than I expected. I was really hoping. But it looks like they did pretty well. Look at that one. Look at that. I don't know, this bucket is almost filled. I don't even think I'll be able to carry it. I'm gonna have to do something different to transport these. Another decent size. Another good one. Just wish the sun wasn't out. Oh, there's a little one. And there's a slight wind blowing the paper away. Oh, God. All right, let's pull this one. Oh, look at that. Look at that. That's beautiful. Oh, I can't believe how good. Gold. Pure food gold. So many. This was all from one plant. So yeah, if you want a lot of potatoes, just plant 20 of them. You'll get a bunch. Like, I just can't believe how many. Ooh, look at this. Now this one looks huge. I don't know if there was a potato plant right here. Oh, kind of cut into the potato right there. I'll eat that one. 2 more. Holy crap. We still have all those plants over there too. Is this all just from that plant I pulled? Like that's pretty ridiculous how big these are. That might be it for today, because unless I think I can do more. Maybe we'll do that one right at the back right there. Let's see how it goes. This plant, I guess, was actually still pretty alive. Whoops. Look at that, he's still pretty green. But his potatoes are grown, so I'm fine with it. Yeah, it's still quite a few babies. But yeah, look at this guy. Kind of curled up when he's probably still alive. Huge, just huge. And well, skin was exposed or something, but that's amazing. I'm gonna keep saying amazing because, gee. Let's dig. There's one. This soil's pretty compacted. I might have to cut through this. Hopefully there's no potatoes under here. Pretty sure if there's any potatoes, they'll eventually grow into their own plants. This one looks like, was this a potato plant? That looks like a weed. Don't know. Let's dig and find out. Yeah, it was a potato plant. Maybe it was a young one. Huh. That's what it looked like. Might have been a young potato plant. It looked pretty small. Yeah, you can see the rabbit compost. I'm surprised there's still some left. That's really surprising. I mean, I did this all back in May. I didn't remember doing that much, but guess I did. Alright, let's try one more plant. I think we're going to be done. So these plants are pretty exposed. So, yeah, look at that. They're like little fruit cherries. Huh. Trying to shake off the dirt. Use this compost. I don't know. Didn't hit the pile. Got little ones. Got a really big one right here, and few small ones. Lots of worms, so that's good. Worms must really like, actually, come to think of it, a bunch of the wildlife, particular bugs, love these potato plants. Like, I guess mosquitoes would hide under them for shade, and then like all types of bugs. Dragonflies would come out to eat the mosquitoes. I had wasps and bees come when they're flowering. Some of these I did pull the flowers off, and I kind of lost track. So they did better because I pulled the flowers off. I can't remember. So it's a mystery which ones did better with pulling the flowers off. But I left a few of them to flower because the bees and wasps seem to like it, which is good. Want a lot of. Oh, there's some paper here. I don't remember putting that there. I don't remember putting paper down. Maybe it was just in one spot. Alright, look at that, look at that. I'm going to show you the bucket when we're all said and done. I don't think I'm going to do the rest today because that bucket's pretty heavy. But I mean, look at this. This is huge. Huge. There's a potato. I think the newspaper got mixed with the leaves. That's what's going on. Okay, pulling you out. This plant is definitely dying. Okay. Oh, look at that. Another biggie. Just lots of good sized ones. Holy. Like just pure amazing. Got some sweat bees growing around the bucket. What are you guys doing? Smell something? Maybe one of the cut potatoes is attracting them, I'm not sure. Simply amazing. Oh my gosh, look at that. No. How lucky am I to have such big harvest. Good sizes for a first timer, right? As I said before, if I can do this, anyone can do this. All you have to do is, I dug all this by hand. This entire area, I dug it by, what I mean by hand is obviously with a shovel. But nonetheless, it was hard work. I just made a few rows and I placed a little bit of wood ash, a little bit of rabbit compost, and bought some organic Kroger potatoes. Just let them grow their spurs or spuds or whatever you call them. I don't remember the term. And just let them bury them after they grow those. And just wait out the months. And then get this, baby. Another one. More. Oh my gosh. Just more. Oh my gosh. That is the biggest spider I've ever seen in my life. Do you see that crap? Is that like a potato spider or something? You guys see that? It's on the potato right there. That is a huge spider. Hole. It's gotta be some like potato spider crab or something. That thing's huge. Huge, baby. Get out of here. She went right in the ground. I mean, obviously it's not as big as spiders from Australia. Not those suckers, but like, that's the biggest spider I've ever seen in my life. Holy. Okay. Got some very big ones. Hopefully, spider can get away and get underground again. Alright. I think that's it for today. I can't even move that box anymore. It's gotta wait. Oh my gosh, more. I can't leave this area exposed. Maybe I'll just put some dirt on this area. Last big one. Look at that. Look at that. All that from 20 potatoes. Totally worth it. Alright, that's it for today. I'll probably do this another day, and then I'll finally have a full harvest, and then I'll also be recording what I do for those. And as you can see, one of them's flowering right now. And actually, I believe those are seed potatoes. I actually got a few seed potatoes from a local store, but those are all same Kroger organic potatoes. Alright, I'll see you guys next time.